Hi, this is Merlin. I'm gonna talk about what I learned today. The reason I'm late because I'm trying to. Since there's in my laptop there's a two, there are two OS window and Ubuntu. I'm using Ubuntu, but there's no memory of it, so I trying to increase partition of. No, I try to allocate the partition of it, but the thing is that yeah, it was the thing is that it is really kind of hard to increase partition or reset the partition in Ubuntu. So um, I was like figuring out how to do it. So this is why I'm late. So, but sorry. So um what today what I learned today is I'm trying to put the no before I'm trying to make a bundler, right? And I was like I made a bundler, but it was not sufficient. So I'm using just HasteMap to collect the order files and construct a dependency on it. But the just HasteMap is really old library, so I need to revise the code. But so I was like, why don't I fork it and clone it and make it into my own? So this is my theory. So I'm trying to so but also the thing is that there was a I need to set up the environment for the just haste map, and so I put the ts config on it. So since this is mono repo, so I try to put this base on it, and in the just haste map, I put ts config on it. Or so there's a just test case on the just haste map. So I put the test case. I just copy it. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna refactor this kind of code. Yeah, I'm gonna refactor this kind of code. So it I don't really get this kind of code. So I think I'm gonna refactor my own. So yeah, this is it. This is gonna be really great. So I'm just gonna refactor it into my how do I say it? Um, into my view. So I'm just gonna refactor it in just haste map. And another interesting thing is that there's a TypeScript error on it, even though I put things right. But the thing is that it's just the VS Code error. If you use pnpm, there's no pnpm 0 install. There's no node module. There is only zip file. And also thing is that the VS Code is so need to find some kind of dependency like node modules to construct to see the error of TS. Since there's no of it, it relies on the VS Code built-in TS config. So there could be error. So what you have to do is you have to put the TypeScript TSDK, and you have to also configure your TS config. Wait, so if you want to see my TS config, so let's see TS TypeScript type, no, not this TypeScript. So TypeScript setup, I think there it is the type system TypeScript. No, it's not. So setting JS, I think it was setting JS. It was not. Yeah, I forgot it. But the thing is that you have to so you have to see how so you have to configure, so you have to configure VS Code that do not follow VS Code built-in TypeScript config. So this is it. So and it was really interesting. I thought using Yamberry and Monorepo, I thought it was really hard, but it was not. You just like I asked ChatGPT and just Google it, and there's everything's there, and there's no. I should do this. There's no difficulty on it. So what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna revise the just HasteMap package into my own, and next I'm gonna implement my Webpack, which is my bundler, which is Enchant Pack. So I'm just gonna put yeah, I'm just gonna revise this into my own. Also, I'm just gonna revise this into my own. So there's it is really, how to say it. It is really hard. Not hard. The code is really not predefined. So I have to refactor also this kind of webpack. This kind of bundler. And also after building a bundler, I'm just gonna make a my own virtual DOM, which is Jasmine. So Jasmine is just a virtual DOM. Already install RSPack to bundles it, because I think virtual DOM needs some kind of compression of it. And also I have to, I think I have to build just HasteMap also into some kind of ESM syntax. So I think just HasteMap also needs bundler for it. So let's see how it goes. So after this, so RSPack would be nice. So because RSPack is Rust based bundler, it's really fast, and there's many tools to see the capacity of it. And I think, and I'm gonna make this code into TypeScript, create element, convert into TS, and this also. I'm just gonna, yeah, the code is really dirty if you see it. So I'm just gonna refactor all of it. Yeah, I'm just gonna refactor all of it. And the logic is also really bad. So because the virtual DOM, the process is compile and diffing and patching, but it is really hard to see where is the compile and where is the diffing algorithm. So actually this part is diffing, but also there's a patching on it. So this is really not good. I think I should really make this code into some kind of concrete syntax of it. So tomorrow I'm gonna revise this code, just HasteMap into my own. So there's a lot of breathing test cases. I just copy it. I didn't made it. So yeah, so let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So this is the end of today. So yeah, this is it. Bye bye.